Welcome! In front of me I have Mobvoi TicWatch GTH, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel or controls menu. Now you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, you can scroll through the menu, find the option called restore and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on the check mark, and now let's wait until the process is complete. And once you see the QR code on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.